Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare couscous. As you'll see, this is a very versatile ingredient and super easy to prepare. Here I'm going to use wholemeal couscous, but you can also use regular couscous. The way to prepare it is the same. For some extra flavor, I'm going to add harissa paste. Both regular or rose harissa work very well, just choose the one you prefer. For this dish, I also include chickpeas, fruit and nut mix, and grilled halloumi, but feel free to use plant-based halloumi or if you prefer, to leave it out entirely. Either way, you'll be able to use the basic couscous recipe to create your own delicious salads. So, first, chop a medium-sized red onion and 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Also the seed, and chop the red pepper into small pieces. Now, place the couscous in a wide but not very deep bowl, such as a pasta bowl. Using a glass measuring jug, dissolve 1 vegetable stock cube into about 300 ml of boiling water. Remember, the couscous to water ratio is 1 part of couscous to 1 1/4 part of water or stock. For a more precise measurement, use the same measuring cup or container for both the liquid and the couscous. So, in the same cup used to measure the couscous, pour approximately 200 ml of stock and reserve the rest. Pour into the couscous bowl, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and quickly stir well with the fork, ensuring that the liquid permeates and coats all the grains. Cover the bowl with a large plate or clinging film and leave for about 10 minutes until all the stock is absorbed. Don't worry too much about the soaking time. Even if you leave for longer, it will not affect the texture of the couscous. In the meantime, heat the olive oil in a medium non-stick frying pan. Add the onion, garlic and red pepper and gently fry for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the cumin seeds, the drained and rinsed chickpeas and the harissa paste and combine everything well. Pour the rest of the reserved stock, stir well and gently warm over a low heat for about 2 or 3 minutes. Add a little seasoning and remove from the heat and set aside. If using, remove the halloumi from its packaging and drain the excess liquid. Pat dry with kitchen papers and cut it to about 1 cm thick slices. Heat a medium non-stick frying pan over a high heat and when hot, place the halloumi slices. Grill for a couple of minutes on each side or until grill marks appear on the surface. Transfer to a plate to cool and then cut into bite-sized portions. After washing the fresh herbs, remove the toughest part of the coriander stems and chop the rest. Pick the mint leaves and also finely chop these. When the couscous is ready, transfer to a large serving bowl and fluff it with a fork. Add the chickpea mixture, fruit and nut mix, halloumi, and the mint and coriander. Toss to combine everything well, taste, and if necessary, add seasoning. For extra heat, add the drizzle of chili oil, or if you prefer, extra virgin olive oil. Stir once more and serve. This salad can be served warm or cold, and it's also great to pack into a lunchbox. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.